Alright, camera's on. Trim set, required. Check, verified. Trim set is required, altimeter set. 305, alright. Back, arrow. Alright, that's set. Back, exit. Alright. Now, anything happens to me, Tony, listen to me.
What?
Serious. If
okay.
anything happens to me, and we're out flying around, I want you to turn that all the way to the off.
All the way to the
off?
off?
All the way to the off. See this big red handle?
Okay.
Yank it. Just pull it straight out as hard as you can.
Straight out?
Pull it straight out.
Is that the parachute? Okay.
Yep. Alright. Bisbee traffic, flight design. 173 Lima Mike. Taking off 17. Bisbee traffic. I'm going to try to take up as much room as possible.
Okay.
I'm going to do what's called a short field takeoff. Alright, here we go. Everything's still in the green, we're good there. And launch. Airspeed's alive. She's wanting to take off. Here we go.
All right. And we do have liftoff.
Yep. That's all right. I'm playing with her.
Yeah.
It's definitely going to be bumpy today, just because it's warm out.
Yeah.
See density altitude, 8,000.
Yeah.
I'm actually going to fly over this way.
Okay.
Closer to the fence and go around that way.
Alrighty. It's a big fence.
See the dirt?
Yeah.
That's where I was working at.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Only pull that if you're in the air. The parachute?
Yeah.
Only if you're in the air, you pull it. It is all over the place today.
Yeah, it's a
all those thermals.
Feels like a roller coaster. There's periods of time where it just feels completely weightless.
Yeah.
Like you're just suddenly floating.
That's where you kind of like, it kind of wants to drop a little bit.
Yeah.
So my landing probably ain't gonna be the prettiest today.
That's fine.
Might have to do a couple go-arounds.
I'm fine with
So
such
we
a
got
thing.
plenty of fuel.
Yeah.
A little smoother up here at 7,500.
Yeah.
Right there's our altitude, 7,500.
Nice.